Another question. Ways in which the church is promoting social justice in Kenya. How are you promoting justice, fairness? Yes? Yes, you pray for just laws, helping the needy. Very good. You preach on social justice. Very good. Yes, you also... Very good. You respect the laws of the country by guidance and counseling. Yes. Very good. You condemn social injustice in the society. Very good. You become a role model. You become a role model by obeying laws, yes, or practicing social justice. And you also advise the government on the need to practice justice. Then we go to